Hello my technical friends, this is TestOut Linux Pro and this is lab 4.4.5 and we are going to enable system services at boot. So while working at your Linux server, you want to enable anaconda.service and disable vm2sd.service using the systemctl command. So in this lab, your task is to complete the following. You're going to use the systemctl command. To enable anaconda.service, use the systemctl command to disable vm2sd.service, and after each command, verify that the service has been enabled or disabled appropriately with the systemctl command. So let's go ahead and start up lab. Alright, so we just wait for the lab to load. Should in case you need a detailed one-on-one video guide on how to solve any of the TestOut lab, be it Network Plus, Security Pro, you might want to consider joining my professional membership, where you have detailed one-on-one video guide on how to solve any of the TestOut lab. So we still wait for the lab to load. Alright, the lab is loaded, so let's just start up terminal and start up right away. So for this, we're going to type in systemctl space enable space anaconda dot service and some serial is-enable Alright, command not found as an error somewhere. So we just copy this and paste again and edit out the error and correct the error. So this is supposed to be limited SY F. Supposed to be system serial. So we press enter and this time around it is enabled successfully. So we're going to type in system serial space disable space VM tools .sd.service So it's going to be systemctl space is-enable space VM tools sd.service, and then you press enter. So we'll go ahead and score lab. So if you find this video helpful, remember to share so that other students can benefit also. Like and subscribe to the channel, and also consider joining my professional membership, where you get insider detailed specs on how to solve any of the TestOut lab. Thank you for watching, and I will definitely see you in my next video.